Hope you know about fake certificate. So some people will purchase the documents from institute and consultancies without working there. That is one kind of fake certificate. And most of people, especially female followers and even male followers also, they are doing the two mistakes in the experience documents. The first problem is they want to increase their salary. To achieve that, simply they are editing the payslip. They are increasing the salary from one level to higher level. Okay. So remember, you need to capture the basic salary perfectly. Based on basic salary only, your PF deduction will happen. In this logic, they can easily identify whether you submitted perfect payslip or fake payslip. Okay. And second important fake documents, even the original documents, partially original documents, but we can say something right, something wrong. Okay. For example, some people want to cover their gap. In order to achieve that, they are extending the end date. Okay. As per relieving letter, one end date will be there, and when they submit the documents, different end date will be there. In order to cover the gap, they are increasing the organization relieved date or work experience end date. Okay. Remember, they will call background verification. Okay. They will asking information for background verification only. The name itself, it is clearly showing they are going to do verification on your documents. Background verification will happen and they will not give the visibility. Okay. What you will know, what you will understand, what will come to you, only result. Okay. Whether it is failed or whether it is succeeded. Okay, two result only will come to you. Rest of the things will be done in the background. That is why they are calling background verification. Okay. Yeah, hope I have given enough information. Don't try to do edit and submitting fake documents. That will create unsolvable problems. If you are struggle, you can approach to me. Before achieving the offer letter, you can approach to me. I can help you. I can give the suggestion. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a fantastic day. Take care. Bye-bye.